Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Commodity TV. It's time for the company update. GoldMining moves on with consolidating gold resources through the acquisition of Belhaven on 11th April 2017 for the Lamina to create a leading district-scale portfolio in Colombia. The company grew the resource basis through the last 5 years with a minimum of shareholder dilution to 19 million ounces gold and overall 24 million ounces gold equivalent. The company has a strong insider ownership of 25% and $21 million cash and no debt. All acquisitions were done at the market bottom at favorable prices for gold mining, which means, for example, a 39 million Canadian dollar in the bear market acquisitions invested equals today, if you take the market cap from 2011 of 456 million Canadian dollars now, when gold was at $1,500 an ounce. 3 acquisitions were done in gold-copper porphyries. Size matters, as those are significant contributors of gold and most important sources of copper in the world. Important are low costs and that it is in bulk mineable, with conventional metallurgy and byproduct metals commonly pay for part or all of production costs. Another important point is the mine life, as major mining companies need long life, low cost mines to maintain delivery schedules, which are company makers and shall come into the focus of acquisitions made by major mining companies. A great example is the last acquisition of Belhaven. The transaction creates a leading gold-copper porphyry portfolio in Colombia, and GoldMining bought Belhaven for only $13.5 million in stock, which represents 6% dilution to existing GoldMining shareholders. IAMGOLD had an 8% ownership in Belhaven and 7 gold-copper porphyry targets with resource estimates on 2 prospects, the Middle Zone and La Cantera, with a pit-constrained resource and historic PEA. A nice example is La Garrucha, with outstanding 271 meters length, grading over 1 gram of gold and 0.13% copper or 1.23 grams gold per ton equivalent. Lamina is only 6 kilometers away from Titiribi project, which was lately bought by GoldMining too. It has around 9.6 million ounces gold equivalent resources, is 100% owned with no royalties, and the property saw already 270 drill holes with almost 145,000 meters in length. The resources are on 3 deposits and 6 porphyry prospects for future workings. Compared to many other porphyries in the high Andes, Titiribi is located at low elevation with a large water source, paved roads to site, rail lines to ports, high-power electrical transmission grid, only 3 kilometers away from the property, and it has a large water source through the Cauca River nearby and is in a mining state with skilled workforce. GoldMining holds in addition the Whistler project, their projects in the Pará state in Brazil, and they have a nice uranium joker called the Ria Uranium Project, which is a joint venture of GoldMining with 75% and Areva, which is holding 25%. The project saw already $10 million in exploration and has a district scale size of 125,000 hectares. Even more important, it surrounds Areva's high-grade Mabel deposit. Areva is actively exploring and has a new exploration model. Well, what is next? GoldMining wants to continue to make accretive acquisitions of resource stage gold projects, and also the closing of the Belhaven acquisition is targeted for the end of May. The company also wants to do a reassessment of 181,594 meters from 376 holes of drilling at Titiribi and Lamina, and they want to define a drill program for upgrading and expanding the existing resource. At La Garrucha, they want to follow up last drill hole completed with showed, as said already, the 271 meters with 1.23 grams of gold equivalent. As well, they want to do a step-out drill program at La Garrucha in order to complete maiden resource estimate. Finally, the company wants to update the historic PEA at São Jorge in Brazil and Lamina in Colombia. That's a lot of work, folks, but GoldMining has the money and the ability to do it and to create additional shareholder value. Check it out. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Munich.